Welcome back to Everything Man-tenance. I gotta show you a little something here, fellas. Check this out. Jumper cables. We all got these in the back of our car. Unfortunately, somebody didn't treat this one too good. She's got a broken end. Kind of dangerous. Could zap you. But don't throw away. I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Make it like new again. Save this puppy. Let me show you. You only need a few tools. So what you're gonna want to do is cut your end off. That's step number one. You're gonna pull this sheath off, right? And then with just a flathead screwdriver, right here. I hope you got you in the viewfinder here. You're just gonna, it's just copper right here, guys. It's really soft. So, I mean, don't stab yourself with the screwdriver. But you're just gonna bring that copper up like that. And you got a couple right here. It'll come up nice and easy. Nothing hard about it. Hopefully I'm keeping you in the view here. I'm trying to. You know, I almost got myself that time. Let's see. Then we're gonna pry these. You're gonna pry these little tabs off the copper wire here. I'm not telling anybody or showing anybody anything super cool. Most of y'all know how to do this, and most of y'all are like, yeah, okay, stupid, we already knew how to do that. But some people might not. Some people might not. Anyway, just making these tabs, pull them out a little bit. Okay, you got the wire out of there, you got all the bad stuff out. Now we're gonna prep the other end of this wire here. Hope I'm keeping you in the viewfinder. I'm trying, all right? You just take your blade, and you're gonna want a good, I don't know, we'll say probably 2 inches. Probably 2 inches. Just take a utility knife, go around there like that. Pull off your new copper, okay? And don't make the mistake everybody else does. Make sure you put your sleeve on before you reattach your clamp again. And you're gonna wanna lay this clamp with a wire, the coating, the protective sleeve, into the first set of clamps here. Not rocket science, okay? And you're just gonna bend over the clamps onto that sleeve. It's kind of hard to show you, but I'm trying. See if I can get you in there. Clamp it down, and you're gonna bring the other one around. All right? And clamp that one down. Okay? So it kind of looks like that. Okay, you got that sleeve clamp down in. Now, this is what you're gonna do is I should have did this before I put it in the sleeve. But go ahead and give this a bunch of twists, this loose wire. Preferably before you put it into the clamp here. So you get it nice and twisted up like that. Okay? And you're gonna wanna lay this wire off to one side. And you wanna kind of tuck it over with whatever you got that can do that. I'm using just a little pick. Okay. Keep it in the finder's kind of hard. All right, and then you're gonna wanna hold this wire over while you clamp down this side. Okay, so you can clamp that down onto the wire. All right. And then you're gonna bring this wire, let's see if I can get you in there. You bring this wire into a loop, like so. Just loop it. Make sure it stays twisted. Loop it back around. Back down. Onto the other side, right? Like that. Once you got that in there, now you're gonna clamp the other side of that wire back in there, like that. Okay, and then you're just gonna pull your sleeve, right? Pull your sleeve, push it back on, and look, it's just like new. So don't throw your jumper cables away. You know, just cut it off. It might be a couple inches shorter, but hey, penny saved is a penny earned, fellas. So I hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't a long video, but you know, I figured I'd throw a little tip out there. And I'll see you on the next one.